Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear inequality. And the lessons we're going to cover today are: does xy satisfy the inequality? Is xy a solution of the system of inequality? Linear inequality is solved for y, and graph a two variable linear inequality. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? So let's just start with the first lesson. The first lesson is, does xy satisfy the inequality? So basically the xy given is the point, right? You need to see if the xy point is the solution of the inequality. So how do we see if xy is the solution of satisfy the inequality? Or you we've already done with the chapter. No, we haven't done, right? Okay, let's just see. If you are given with a point xy, we have to see how do we say if it satisfy the inequality, right? For example, you are given a point, right? The point is 6 3 satisfies the inequality, and the inequality is x plus 16y greater than 15, right? So the point xy is an ordered pair, right? This one is the value of x and this one is the value of y, right? So how do you see if the point satisfy the linear inequality? Just put the point in the equation. X is 6 plus 16, y is 3 is greater than 15. Let's see. 6 plus 16 times 3 is 48. So 48 plus 6 is 54. 54 is greater than 15. Yes, it is, right? You can see the equality is true on 6 and 3. That means 6 and 3 is the solution of the linear inequality x plus 6y greater than 15. Got it? So 6 3 is the solution of the inequality x plus 16y greater than 15. Got it? Let's just do another one. The next one is, you are given the ordered pair, that is 10 4. The question is, does 10 4 make the inequality yx plus 4y greater than 12, right? So we have to see the given point 10 4 satisfies the equation. So how do we see? We are given the order pair 10 and 6, 10 and 4, right? So just put the values in the equation and see if it is the correct one. Okay, so let's just substitute the ordered pair in the equation, right? This is the x and this is the y. So y is 4, x is 10 plus 4, y is 10 greater than 12. So 40 plus 40, 40 plus 40 is 80 and 80 is greater than 12, right? The 80 is greater than 12? Yes, it is. So the point xy satisfies the equation, right? That means 10, 4 is the solution of yx plus 4y greater than 12. Got it? So the correct option is yes. So that's how we check if we are given with a point is the solution of the system, right? Solution of the equation. The next one you are given is the point 410. You have to see if it makes the equality y greater than 2x plus 2 true. Okay, y is 10. 2. 8 plus 2, 10 is greater than 10. No, 10 is not greater than 10. Like is false. That means the point 410 is not the solution of the in inequality y greater than 2x plus 2. Got it? Okay, the next lesson is xy a solution of the inequality? Again, we have to see that xy is the solution of the inequality. So let's just do, you have to do exactly the same thing, right? For example, you are given a point 2, 8 is the solution of the system of inequality and the inequality system of inequality, right? That means you are given two of the equations, 2x plus 2y greater than less than 20, and the other equation is 2x plus y greater than 12, right? Okay, so you are given a point 2, 8, right? If 2, 8 satisfy both the equations, then yes, 2, 8 is the solution of the system, right? So you have to check both the equations for 2, 8, right? Let's just check with the first one. 2, 8, x is 2, 2 times 2 plus 2 times 18 less than 20. That is for the first one. So the second one is 2 times 2 plus 18, and that is greater than 12. So that is 2 times 2 is 4, 18 times 2 is 36. 40 is less than 20? No, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 is greater than 12? Yes, but this one is false. So that means 2 18, 2 8, sorry, 2 8 it is, not 18. Sorry. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 is less than 20? No, but still it is false. 8 plus 4 is 12. This is also false. So 2 8 is not the solution of the system of inequalities, right? The correct option is no. Okay, let's just do another example. The other example is 2 7 a solution of the system of inequalities? The equation is y is greater than x plus 5 and y is less than 7x plus 3. So let's just see if 2 7 is the solution. So y is 7, 2 plus 5, and y is 7, 7 times 2 plus 3. Okay, 7 is greater than equal to 7. Yes, it is not greater, but they are equal, right? And here you have 7 is less than 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3. That would be 17. 7 is greater than 17. 7 is less than 17. Yes, so you can see both the equations are true. That means the 2 7 is the solution of the system of inequalities. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions on the lesson. Let's just do. Okay, does x y satisfy the inequality? Let's just start with this one. Hold on. Okay, does xy satisfy the inequality? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, does the point 10 8 satisfy the inequality? So how do you check? You have to put the point 10y in the equation, and you need to see if the equation is true on the point. If the equation is true on the point, yes, that means yes, the point is the solution of the equation, right? So let's just put the point in the equation. X is 10 and y is 8, right? So it would be 8 is greater than equal to 9 times 10 plus 4. 8 is greater than equal to 94. Yes, it is greater. That means the point 10 8 satisfy the inequality. The correct option is yes. No, no, 8 is not greater than 94, right? That is no. Okay, the next one is 10 4 make the inequality 5x plus 4y greater than 12 true? True or false? So which is the correct option? Let's just put the point in the equation and see if it is the correct one. The correct option is it is true, right? Yes, the correct option is yes. Okay, the next one is 7 7 a solution of the inequality? So which is the correct option? Yes or no? The correct option is yes, 7 7 is the solution of the inequality. The correct option is yes. Oh, it is no. Hold on, let me just check. 7 is greater than equal to 8 times 7 plus 8. 7 is greater than equal to 8 times 7 is 56 plus 8, that is 64. So 7 is not greater than 64. The correct option is no, right? So it is no, sorry. Okay. So let's just see the next one. Is 6 9 satisfy the inequality? Does the point 6 9? Okay, let's see. 6 x is 6 and y is 9. 2 times 6 plus 19 times 9 is less than 16. 12 and 9 times 9 is 81. 183 is less than 16. No, the correct option is 183 is greater, right? So the correct option is no. That is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, does 210 make the inequality y greater than 3x plus 3 true, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is true. Okay, does the point 73 satisfy the inequality? The correct option is yes, it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next one. The next one is linear inequality word problems. You have to do word problems on your own. The next one is XY solution of the system of inequalities. So let's just do the practice questions. So a point is a solution of the system of inequalities if you plug the point into each equation, each inequality, and it results a true statement, right? If both the inequalities are true on the point, that means yes, the point is a solution of the equation, right? Let's just do the first one. Is 2 5 a solution of the inequalities? Let's just put 2 5 in both the equations, right? First one is 5 is less than equal to 2 plus 10. 5 is less than equal to 12. Yes. The next one is y is 5. 5 times 2 plus 2. 5 is less than equal to 12 plus 2. 5 is less than equal to 14. Yes, you can see both the equations are true on the point 2 and 5, right? So if both the equations are true on the point 2 5, that means yes, that is the solution of the system. The correct option is yes. The point 25 is a solution of the system of inequality. The correct option is yes. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5 8 a solution of system of inequalities? So which is the correct option? Okay, let's just put 5 8 into both the both the inequalities and let's see if they are true. Okay, 5 8. I think they both are true because 5 and 8, 5 times 365, that is greater. They both are true. So the correct option is yes. Okay, is 2 9 a solution to the system of inequalities? So which is the correct option? Yes or no? The correct option is the correct option is no, right? Okay, the next one is 210 a solution to the system of inequalities, which is the correct option? The correct option is no. Okay, the next one is 1 1 a solution of the system of inequality? The correct option is no, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is linear inequalities solve for y. So how do we solve linear inequalities for y? Okay, write the following inequality in slope intercept form, right? You have to write them in y equals mx plus y form, right? You have to isolate the variable y, right? The first one is 20x plus y is greater than equal to negative 20, right? Okay, so just isolate the variable y. Move 20x to the other side, so it would be negative 20x, negative 20, and this one is subtracted on the other side, so it would be y is greater than equal to negative 20 minus 20x, right? So that is negative 20 minus 20x. Option 1 is the correct one. Okay, the next one is write the inequality in the slope intercept form. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 2 is the correct option. Y is less than negative 20x minus 6. Got it? Okay, 20x plus y is less than equal to 14. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. Y is less than equal to negative 20x plus 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the following inequality in the slope intercept form. 15x plus y is greater than equal to negative 20. So which is the correct option? The correct option is y is greater than equal to negative 15x minus 20. The second option is the correct one. Write the following inequality in slope intercept form. Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Graph a two variable linear inequality. Okay, now we're going to learn how do we graph the inequalities, right? The first one is y is greater than equal to -5, right? So that means y is greater than equal to -5. So start by graphing the boundary line to y equals -5. First, plot any 2 points for with value of -5, 0, 5 and 1, -5. The simple thing is the inequality is y is greater than equal to -5, right? Y is greater than equal to -5, right? Here is the graph. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is -5, right? The y is greater than equal to -5. So boundary is like this. And all the values that are greater than -5 is these are all the values that are greater than -5, right? So this is the graph for y is greater than -5, right? Basic thing is that is an inequality. You need to see which side is included in the graph. Okay. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, x is less than equal to 5. So which is the correct option? That means the values, all of them that are less than and equal to 5 means the boundary is at the 5. Here is 5. So boundary is at the 5 because x is equal to 5. It is like this and the values are less. So they all are on the this side of the graph, right? So let's see which is the correct option. The correct option is shade from +5 to the, yes, that is +5 to the left, right? You can see the one I did, it's on the left side of the +5. So shade to the positive left of the +5. Got it? Okay, graph the inequality x is less than equal to 6. So which is the correct option? Less than 6. So which values are included? Greater than 6, sorry, right? So here is the 6, right? That means on the right of the 6 is included, right? So shade from +6 to the right. So that would be shade from +6 to the right. So graph the inequality y is less than -2. So which side of the values are included? The correct option is negative 2 less than, right? So this side is included. That means on the, no, here is, why is negative 2 less? So that would be down. Shade from negative 2 to down, right? The correct option is shade from negative 2 to down. Okay, graph the inequality x is less than equal to 3, which is the correct option. So less than equal to 3 means on the left of 3, right? That means shade from positive 3 to the left. Graph the inequality y is greater than negative 4. So which is the correct option? Y is greater than negative 4. Here is negative 4, right? That means the up from negative 4. Shade from negative 4 to up, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay. Graph the inequality x is less than equal to 7. So which is the correct option? Less than 7. That would be shade from positive 7 to the left. Graph the inequality y is greater than equal to negative 5. So which is the correct option? Greater than equal to negative 5, right? So here is negative 5. That means negative 5 up, shade from negative 5 up, right? Graph the inequality x is less than negative 2. That means left on the negative 2, right? Shade from negative 2 to the left. X is greater than negative 3, which is the correct option. Greater than negative 3. That means on the right of negative 3, right? The correct option is shade from negative 3 to right. Graph this inequality y is greater than equal to 6. So which is the correct option? Greater than equal to 6. That means up. Shade from positive 6 to up, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So if we were working on grade 9 math, chapter we're working on is linear inequalities. The lessons we have covered today are Does xy satisfy the inequality? Linear inequalities, word problems. Is xy a solution of the system of inequalities? Linear inequalities solve for y and graph are two variable linear inequalities, right? Okay, so please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? So if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.